This is a Kenmore 80 series electric dryer. Pretty sure it's from the 80s or so. And the other day it stopped spinning. And I was pretty sure the belt went out, so I tested it. There's a safety switch right here. If you hold it down, it doesn't spin. So to confirm this, you can take the top off, and I'll show you that in a second. To confirm whether or not your belt is broken, take out the one, whatever you call it, take out the 2 screws right there, and then just pull up. And as you can see, there's no belt, so it fell down in. Now to take it off the front panel, you have to disconnect that and take out a screw here and here. Alright, to finish taking off the front panel, once the 2 screws are out and the connector is disengaged, have a buddy hold the front panel for you and pull up on it. Just move it off to the side. Now you can see that the belt did indeed break. And sometimes, if you're lucky, you can find money. Alright, while you have it open, take the time, take the drum, and that got awful sound completely all the way out, and vacuum it out. Less chance of a fire. Take my gentle reminder in the form of a static electricity shock to unplug your machine before maintenance. Alright, now that it's vacuumed out, you can put the drum back on and reapply the belt. Also, make sure to get in there real good because there was a lot of lint buildup. Totally fast forwarding through that. For reassembly, you put your drum back on and have your buddy hold your drum. Make sure it's on the wheels. What does that look for? You get your new belt, unwrap it. For ours, the group side goes against the drum. Yours may be different. No idea. Alright, while you're having your wife or whoever hold the drum up, you put the belt around the drum, and then you feed the belt through here and loop it around here. Needs to have the group side facing this, and the group side will face the drum also. Be sure that this skirting, as my wife quoted it, is not folded under itself before you put everything back together, because it'll be much easier to fix right now. For reassembly, just do the opposite of what you did before. Slide this back on the latches at the bottom. And then reinsert the screws up here. Now with your gorgeous nails, just plug it back in.
I can't plug it in.
See, that's why men do that. They're good at finding the holes. All right, we got a new belt on, we got our screws back in place, and we have our safety switch reconnected. Just close it back up. Before you do anything else, you test it. Test it out just like before. Have it set. Open your door. Hold down the safety switch.
Do you want to plug it back in?
All right, now to test it out, make sure it's plugged in like I didn't do. Have your door open. Hold down the safety switch and turn it on. There we go. Working just like new again. Don't forget to put those 2 screws back in, and if yours, like ours, the dryer vent came off, put those back on.